Now guys, I'm pretty sure that you have this one SVI 9 Max, and one of your problem is how to set it up. And of course, sometimes when some troubles come along, you need to hard reset the whole system, factory reset, so everything will be gone. Orz, Yogurt TV, it's gone. You won't see it here, no more. Okay, so in this video, we'll do a quick tutorial on how to, well, bring them back here. First thing to do is go here to apps and just search for apps and go to apps, search for apps. Okay, we'll type Orz. And search. Now you'll see the Orz browser, which is this one, the first one. And we'll install. Okay, so take a while, depending on how fast is your internet connection. Right now it's installing. Right now, we'll open it. Here's your Orz browser. Upon entering the browser, you need to search. What we need to type is 6868c.cc. Okay. Then let's browse. And it will load the page. Okay, so here are everything that you need to install. Okay, so one of the most important is this one, Yogurt TV. Just simply needs to install this one. Okay, just allow it. Okay, and go back. Allow the permission. Install again. Okay, you'll see Yogurt TV is installing up there. Then you install Yogurt Kids. We'll install Cherry TV. Okay, those are probably one of the more important one. Probably you want to install Chrome. See, there are other ones that you might want. You can install Netflix if you want. QQ Music, Shafa Market. Okay, everything's all up to you. Spotify. Okay, install YouTube Kids if you want. Everything's here. So basically, those are what you need. You can add more if you want. Now, once it hit this screen, just press install for it to finish. And you should do the same with all of the other apps that you just installed. Okay. So you'll do this for Cherry TV. And most likely you'll do that for Yogurt TV once it's done. Okay. Waiting to install. Okay, so we're finished installing Netflix. Okay, so let's go back home. Okay, so right now, you see probably all of the apps that we just installed here. So right now, we'll go inside Yogurt TV and see if it actually works. Okay, just allow access. And okay, so we have a live Yogurt tree working. There you go. So basically, we finished the full tutorial on how to set up your SVI 9 Max. And yep, stay tuned for more tutorials. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.